Do you want to know how to actually sell digital products for 100% profit? I'm talking about a real business model where you keep every single dollar you make. No splitting commissions, no giving away half your earnings to some company. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process that helped me go from working long hours at a job that I was burnt out from to finally having a path to earning a flexible income online in just 2 hours a day. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this too. If we haven't met yet, my name is Deb. I've tried several different ways to make money online, but when I discovered the Freedom Formula Blueprint and learned that I could make 100% of the profit, it nearly blew my mind. So here's the thing most people don't realize about selling digital products. You don't actually have to create the product from scratch. This is where Master Resell Rights come in. Essentially, you're getting full legal permission to sell pre-made digital products like courses, blueprints, or training programs, and you keep 100% of the profits. That's exactly what Master Resell Rights allow you to do with digital products. With this program, you can sell products between $100 and $900, and you keep every dollar. Imagine making just one sale of $900. That's $900 in pure profit. Now imagine making that sale while you're sleeping, or while you're at your day job, or even while you're on vacation. The beauty of this model is that once your system is set up, it runs 24/7. People in our community are making their first sale within days after launching. Some are even hitting $600 in their first week. Here's what I want you to understand. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need a huge following. And you definitely don't need to reinvent the wheel. The products are already created. The sales pages are done for you. And the system is proven. All you're doing is plugging into something that already works. If you want to find out how it all fits together, grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started. And it breaks this all down step by step so you can see the full picture. Now you might be wondering, if I'm selling someone else's products, how is that different from affiliate marketing? Great question, and here's the difference. With affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's products and you earn a commission, usually somewhere between 5 and 50%. If you sell a product for $100, you might make between $10 and $50. But with Master Resell Rights, when you sell that same $100 product, you keep the entire $100. No splitting commission, no middlemen, no waiting for someone else to approve your payout. It goes straight to you. And when you scale up to selling higher ticket items like a $600 or a $900 program, the difference becomes even more dramatic. People in our community are consistently bringing in $900 a day once they get their system running smoothly. Look, I get it. You've probably tried other ways to make money online. Maybe you've done the MLM thing, maybe you've dabbled in affiliate marketing, maybe you've even tried a side hustle that went nowhere. I've been there too. But this is different because you're not building someone else's business. You're building your own income, you control your brand, and that makes all the difference when it comes to actually creating something sustainable. So once you have the rights to sell these digital products, the next question is, how do you actually get people to buy? This is where automation and organic marketing come into play. You're not spending thousands on paid ads or chasing people down with cold messages. Instead, you're using free organic strategies on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And you attract people who are already looking for what you're offering. The key is creating content that educates, connects, and builds trust. And when your automated system does the selling for you, we're talking about pre-built sales pages, email funnels, and follow-up sequences that work around the clock. Once your system is automated, you can literally make sales while you're at your day job, while you're sleeping, or while you're spending time with your family. The potential here is incredible because you're not trading hours for dollars anymore. You're leveraging a system that works for you 24/7. And when you combine organic reach with the proven sales funnels, people are consistently seeing results like $900 a day or even more as they scale. If you're thinking, I'm not good at social media, I don't want to be on camera, I don't have time to read content every single day. Trust me, I felt exactly the same way. But here's the truth. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. There are faceless strategies that work just as well. And you'll learn these strategies in the training. And you don't need to spend hours creating content. 2 hours a day is genuinely enough once you know what you're doing. The system is designed to be simple, sustainable, and flexible enough to fit into your real life. Now, here's something most people get wrong when they start selling digital products. They think they need thousands of followers to make real money. That's just not true. You don't need a massive audience. You need the right audience. What matters more than follower count is building trust and providing real value to people who are already searching for a solution. When you position yourself as someone who understands their pain points, whether that's financial stress, they're burnt out, or want more freedom, and you offer them a proven way, they're going to buy from you. It's not about being a celebrity influencer. It's about being relatable, authentic, and helpful. Some of the most successful people in our community started from 0 followers, but they showed up consistently, shared their journey, talked about what they were learning, and slowly built a community of people who trusted them. And here's the thing, you only need a handful of sales to start seeing real income. If you sell just 900 product a day, that's 900 profit. You're not trying to sell to the masses. You're connecting with real people who resonate with your story and your message. If you've been sitting on the sidelines because you think you're too late or you don't have what it takes, I need you to hear this. The people who succeed with this business aren't special. They're not more talented or more tech savvy or more connected than you are. They're just willing to start. They're willing to learn, to show up, and to trust the process. And if they can do it, so can you. Let's talk about the part that trips people up the most, getting started. The barrier to entry with digital products is incredibly low compared to traditional business. You're not buying inventory, you're not renting office space, you're not dealing with shipping or returns. The biggest investment you'll make is in the digital product license itself. And depending on what program you choose, that can range from between $100 and $900 for this program. Plus, there's a small one-time fee for a pre-built website. That's it. You're not looking at tens of thousands of dollars. You can literally get started in a matter of hours or days. And here's what makes this so powerful. If you invest $900 to get certified and licensed to resell 4 income streams, and you make your first sale, you've already broken even. Everything after that is pure profit. People in our community are routinely making back their investment within the first week. Once you're profitable, you're not just earning, you're building momentum. You're proving to yourself that this works. And that confidence is what carries you forward. Look, I'm not going to promise you overnight success or tell you that this is a get-rich-quick scheme, because it is not. But what I will tell you is this. If you're willing to commit 2 hours of income-producing activities a day, follow a proven system, and stay consistent, you can absolutely build real, sustainable online income. And the freedom that comes with that, being able to work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and finally stop living paycheck to paycheck, is worth every bit of the effort. Here's my question for you. What's the biggest thing holding you back from starting an online business? Is it fear, lack of time, not knowing where to start? Drop your answer in the comments below, because I want to help you work through whatever is keeping you stuck. You've just learned the exact step-by-step process to sell digital products for 100% profit. From understanding Master Resell Rights, to leveraging automation, to building trust with your audience. This isn't theory. This is the same system that's helped thousands of people just like you, create real, life-changing income. So stop waiting for the perfect time or for everything to line up perfectly. The perfect time is right now. Grab that freedom formula blueprint below. Take the first step and let's build this together. Now that you know exactly how to sell digital products online and keep 100% of the profit, you might want to see how to do this in just 2 hours a day. You'll want to go right to this video here, and when you partner that with what you just learned in this video, the lights are going to come on for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.